Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm going to share with you how I'm going to make my traveler's notebook inserts, my passport traveler's company notebook. Now this is going to be for 2026. The other insert I have is coming to an end. I'm going to need a few more weeks obviously for December, and I'll make that one up, but this one I'm going to do 2 lots, 26 weeks in each insert, because if I put the whole 52 weeks it's just going to be too bulky, and I don't think that I want it that bulky. I've got other things in there at the moment that I need to keep in there. I've put my pen in here because I didn't like it on the side. I just did not like it. So I'm going to work out something other than keeping it in the purse. But it's fine there. I really like it being there for now. Much better than it being on the side. So that is that. I've started cutting them up already. I have 2, 4. Let's have a look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and I need another 14, so I'll get that done. I'm cutting them one at a time. I'll get that done, but I'll show you how I cut them. This is the best way I know how to do them. So you know, it's got the markings here on each corner, so what I do is just cut across. So I cut right across, and then I will cut across here. I'm going to just show you this one, but then I'm going to speed up the rest of it, and then I will cut along here, and along here. There we go. And that's that. Alright, so that's how I do it. So I'm going to speed the rest up, or no, I tell you what, to make the video a lot shorter, I'm going to cut them out and then come back, and then maybe if I have time I can go through some scrapbook paper as to which ones I want to cover them with. So I'll see you back shortly. Hiya, welcome back. So I've just finished. I must fix this blade in here. Right. So I've finished these. I've got 26. And the reason why I have got less in here, I did start April, and when I made it I didn't count the remaining weeks until the ending of the year. I just made up a batch of them and just sewed them together. So now I may just need a couple of extra ones for the ending of the year, but that's all right. I don't mind that. I will just fold these. Right, they're all folded up. I've put an extra one in, an extra week, just in case, because knowing me, I would have counted them wrong. They're not exactly straight along here, but I don't have a problem with that whatsoever. It is handmade. I found this in my stash, and I would like to make a cover for it. They are really thick, solid. This is really nice. This is, I like that, and I do like the back of it as well. I don't know if I would want, I think maybe I would want it along here. Here's the first one. That's nice. This is nice as well. I think the print is just a little bit too big for such a small book. This is pretty. It's got the alphabet here. All the kitchen accessories here, teapots, and this one's nice. I like this. Let's see if I can move it up a bit more. Yeah, that's it. This is nice. I like that. Yes, I do. That could be for the inside and this for the outside. Yeah, this is nice. I like that. Isn't that pretty? That would be for the outside. And let's get out this one and see. 24th today. Let's get it out. And it really did do its job along here. Really tatty now where the elastic has cut through it. So I like this bit at the top. The flowers, the blue flowers, I do like that. Now where would that be? That would be on the opposite side, wouldn't it? Okay, let's do this one, because this is right across. I like that. I know I'm wasting paper, but not necessarily wasting any paper, because I never waste anything. I try my best not to anyway. Let's just draw across here. And if anything, I'll just make, I'll just make some alterations to it. Fine. If I do it a little bit bigger than I have penciled it out, at least I could just cut off the rest, trim off the rest, instead of having to cut another whole piece. That would be too big anyway. Too big. No, that's fine. Okay, I have done the cover. So if I, let's go to the middle, right. Put that in. There. This one here. And I'll put that one there. That will be okay. That's fine. Here's one. This one's fine. That should be okay, I think. Let me have a look. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's try this and see. Right. and I'm just going to bore the holes. I'll put one here, right in the middle. When I say the middle, I mean the middle of the spine. And here's the middle, eyeballing it. Right, that's in the middle of the spine as well. And the top, let's put that out here. Okay, perfect. Right, so let's get started. In. And I don't want to put it between the threads. Let me just try my hardest not to get it in between the threads. This is my worst part of threading, really worst part. I don't know what it is with me when it comes to I'm just double checking that I haven't gone through. I don't think I have. Okay, and that stays on that side. Oh, great. Because I have a terrible time when I have to go through the middle again. I used pink the last time and I'm using pink again. I like it. One more. There we go. We just cut that off. So that is 26 weeks. It doesn't look it because it's double pages, right? That's 26 weeks in here, 6 months. Oh, good. Let me embellish it. I think that is so pretty. I didn't round the corners the last time. I think I will round the corners. So nice, really nice. There's no point waiting for the last minute to start doing these things. I just thought, let me do them and get them out of the way. Let's have a look. What have we got here? Oh, we've got some London ephemera. Out and about ephemera in London. Use. Oh, that's lovely. Big piece. Big piece. Can that fit there? Yep. I think that would look better. Yes. It would show up much nicer. Let's see if there's anything else that I want to put there. I want to put, oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. That's a telephone box, the post box and the teddy. No, I think just a telephone box and a teddy would be nice. So I'll just fussy cut this out and then stick it on. Very nice. I want to put 2026. I'm going to find some numbers. No, I haven't got 20. There should be two of these, two grey ones. Two blacks, 2026. I'll use the black, I suppose. Yes, I suppose. Use the black. Zero. Six. Right. Okay. That is 6 months right there. I don't need anything else. That's going to look very nice in here. I'm not putting it in as yet. I'll leave that there. For the notes, I can always do one. Yeah, I can always do notes at a later date when I suppose I'm going to do the half of that one, just depending if I run out of it by then. But I've got some space in the notes already, so I don't need to use any for that. And we're good. We are good. I really like the way this is stuffed. I like my planners when they're stuffed, I do. But this is so cute. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.